Welcome to Quanvo Learning, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to install a virtual machine on your computer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install the VM on your devices. Let's get started. Search for the link as shown in the video. It will help you to navigate fast. A virtual machine allows you to run an operating system and applications in an isolated environment on your existing hardware. Scroll down and select Accept and Download. Open your downloads and select the downloaded file. To download Ubuntu Desktop, search for the link as shown in video. Download Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS, that is of 5.8 GB. Go to Downloads and open the downloaded file. Now the VM is installed on your device. Stay tuned for next step. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.